Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. Now it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply come to your PowerPoint and choose the option of Copilot at the top right hand side corner. Now after you've chosen that, you'll find a new column appearing at the right hand side column. Now over here in the right hand side column, you'll find a chat section. Now just simply ask Copilot to make you a slide. Let's say you have a documentation prepared in Excel, Docs or even PowerPoint. So what Copilot can do is it will extract the details from your particular Word document or Excel sheet or any PowerPoint slide to compile it into your very new slide over here. So let me give you an example. Now let's say you want a presentation which you have already prepared in a textual form in Word document. So just simply ask Copilot to extract all the data and make a slide based on your Word document. Then choose the Word document, then just simply hit send, and within a few seconds your professional looking slides are made directly from your Word document. Now let's say you want to add an extra slide between number 2 and number 3 over here. So all you have to do is highlight the number 2 and ask Copilot add a slide for whatever reason you may need in between number 2 and 3. Just simply tell Copilot to do that. Then after that, again within a few seconds, Copilot will add brand new slide for you with everything, image, information and heading and all. Now let's say in this particular slide, it is very boring to look at and it's nothing visual and it's filled with text. So what you can do is you can make it more exciting and visual. So just simply ask Copilot to make it more visual and add images to your slide. So just simply say that to Copilot and hit enter. And just like that, you will have your slide remade with more exciting images and keynotes. Now you can also animate your slide by clicking on add animation to this particular slide. Just choose this option and the animation will be added to your slide. Now you will also get the speaker notes when you will have this type of animation based slides or visual based slides. You will get the speaker notes right below over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching and do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.